are going to achieve this look using all MAC makeup. My favorite company. I work with them and I'm getting ready for work today, so if you want to see how this look came out, just keep watching. So I already did my brows off camera. I'm just going through and making sure they're even. Of course, I use the MAC eyebrow styler in the color Spike. And then I already concealed and my face is fresh, clean washed. And I'm going to go in with the strobe cream, which is my favorite. I'm looking in my mirror right here, so if that's annoying, sorry. I go in with my strobe cream about this much. And I just go all over, which is strobe cream. It's hydrating. It's going to give you that glow. You can already see I wear this every day, even if I don't have any makeup on. I just do a fresh face because it gives you that glow. After the strobe cream, I go in with my natural Radiance primer in Radiant Yellow. I just do a little bit, and I just do this in the T-zone just to help with any oil controlling and a little bit more radiance. It helps the foundation go on evenly, and I just love this primer. Okay, so now that my face is all prepped and ready for the foundation, I'm gonna use the Studio Fix in NC42. I think I'm in NC42. We'll see, because yeah, it's NC42. The winter took all my color. I need some sun. So we're go on, and I'm using the MAC 170 brush, foundation brush, and just going in with, put some on the back of my hand. Going in and putting it everywhere. Make sure it's all even. And then I love this foundation paired with the strobe cream, because it makes my skin look so good. It is a matte finish, so I like the dewier finishes, so I use the strobe cream under, and it's like the perfect combination for my skin. But I am gonna go in with my big beauty blender. I love this beauty blender. I use this every day. It's so huge. And just go in and just make sure it's all even onto the skin. This is a Real Techniques beauty blender, but it's okay because it's awesome, and I use this for my makeup routine every single day. Okay, so now that my foundation's done, we're gonna go in with concealer, and I'm using the MAC Studio Fix 24 Hour Smooth Wear in the shades 43, NC43 and NC42. I mixed them just because the NC42 I use more for brightening, but this foundation and concealer mixed together is the bomb. Just put some right up under the eye. You know the drill with concealer. It's my favorites. And I like how these have the what's it called? Spoolie. Not spoolie. What's it called? The wand. The wand. Because you could just put it on. And you know where to put the concealer. Highlight your chin, nose, forehead, all of that. And then I'm going in with the lighter one just on top. Just to brighten it up. Just to give our under eyes some smoothness. Okay. After that, I go in back with my 170 brush and beauty blender and blend it all out. Blend it all out. I bring it to the side of my face, down the nose. And look how full coverage it is. It just took away all my dark circles, all my darkness. Cover them up. Now that my concealer is seamless, I just go in and make sure there's no creases before I set, and then I use my medium dark sculpt and shape contour palettes, and I'm going in with this shade right here just to set under my eyes. I'm going in with the beauty blender. Just put it on the end and I just press it into my face, I guess. And then it just sets it, makes it look smooth and seamless. I love how it's yellow because it doesn't have flashback when I take pictures like translucent powders do. So I like how it has a little bit of color to it, and I put some on my eyes. Blend it all out. And it's so smooth. I'm going back into the same palette and using this shade right here just to contour and bronze up my face. I'm using the M.A.C 150 brush. This is my favorite brush. I use this every day. Ooh. We're just gonna go in. Bronze up the forehead. My forehead is darker than my face, so when I put foundation on it, like right here, it gets light. So make sure if you have a darker forehead, you go in, carve out that cheekbone. Same palette. We're going in to sharpen up our contour. Same shade as we used to highlight under the eyes. Use my beauty blender and just carve it out a little bit. We're gonna make it more natural today, but if you wanted it to be a lot more carved out, you could sharpen it. Okay, I like how it's looking right now. It looks so smooth. I do need to wipe my lips because I have foundation on them and I look crazy. After all my powder, I go in once with my Fix Plus and give myself a spray. This one is just the mini coconut. I love the coconut smell. That's my favorite one. Ooh. And I just give myself a quick spray before I move on. Let my powder, it just takes the powder and makes it look natural, just diminishes that powder look. And then I'm going to go in to the eyes. I do my makeup weird. I think I do my makeup in different steps than a lot of people. But we're going to do the eyes and then go back into the skin. For the eyes, I'm going in with the Art Library palette in the shade Flamboyant, in the color Flamboyant. We're going to use this shade called Data Issues for the crease, and I'm going in with my 286 brush. These palettes are so awesome. You need to go get one. Just going in with the crease. We're not going to do nothing too crazy with the eyes today. Going in with the crease, just going to pull it out a little bit. And you already see it gives the eye some dimension, and it opens up your eye. Now after that, I don't have all the MAC brushes yet. I'm still building my collection. So I'm going to go in with this little brush that I do have with the shade M.A.C. It's just a flat brush. And we're going to go in and, you know, I'm going to go close. Right along the lash line. And just smoke it out first. Towards the eyes are going to be super simple, but it looks so glam. And then I'm going to pull this all the way out lightly. Like an eyeliner look. And don't worry if it's not a perfect eyeliner shape, because we're gonna go in and clean it up. I'm just doing one eye on camera and then I'll do the other eye off camera. I'm gonna clean it up with my concealer, a little bit on my concealer brush. I'm gonna go right under and sharpen it up. But I like this look because it's not as harsh as the liner, like a black liner, and it looks really pretty and soft. And yeah, I'm gonna go do the other eye and we'll be right back. Okay, I popped on one of my lashes. I'm using the 43s. I normally use the 36, the little natural little 36 lash, but I just had these, so I popped them on and I love them. I have my other one. Like, are you crazy? I love them. They're so cute. This might be my new favorite MAC lash. So go and try these. Ooh. I'm about to pop this lash on and go back into the face. Okay. These are cute. Now that my lashes are on and popping, I'm about to go back into this palette and use a little teeny tiny bit of the M.A.C on the same little flat brush that I used, and just smudge right up under the eye, just a little bit. Let's give that smoky look. Go ahead and do the other one. My favorite mascara for bottom lashes, the Extended Play. And I'm gonna go right in, and I just get the middle of my lashes. I don't do all of my lashes. I don't know, I'm weird. Just do the middle. Going back into the face, I'm gonna put my highlighter on. And I'm using the M.A.C Superb. This is the best highlighter to ever touch my skin. I love this highlighter. It just looks so good. I'm already glowing from just my natural oils and the strobe cream. But we're going to put a little extra glow. See how cute that is? It's like a rose gold highlighter. It's not too gold, but it's so pretty. I put some on the tip of my nose. Cupid's bow. Other side. And you know what? I'm gonna put a little bit on my inner corners. Now we're going to the lips, and it's my favorite part. I love this combo. I always use it. This is Cork, the shade Cork lip liner. I'm just gonna go in and I pull my lip liner in. I line my lips so fast because I use this lip liner like every day. I need a new one. Pull that lip liner in to give it that ombre look. And then we're going in with Really Me, which is a matte lipstick. This is my favorite lip combo ever. Go back on the liner, fix it a little bit. And that's it. I'm gonna spray myself with the Fix Plus one more time. I like drown myself in this stuff daily. And that's it for my look today. Let it dry off. I'm glowing, it's sultry, it's cute. Yeah, and that's it. So now that I'm done with this look, I'm going to finish getting ready for work. Thank you so much for watching. If you like it, let me know. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.